Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting data and confirming software. First, back up to iCloud or a computer so you can restore settings if needed. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and look closely at the Truedepth notch for dust, oil, or small cracks. Debris often blocks sensors. Next, make sure you're on the latest iOS and restart the phone to clear transient sensor locks. Finally, verify Face ID settings to prepare for recalibration. Now you dig into diagnostics and targeted fixes. Start by testing the front camera in both photo and FaceTime modes to confirm image clarity. Then, go to Settings and reset Face ID. This forces a fresh Truedepth scan. While you re-enroll, ensure the area is well lit and that nothing covers the proximity sensor. If problems persist, run a full restore from a fresh backup and test again, because software corruption can mimic hardware failure. Finish with hardware verification and a final troubleshooting step. If the camera still fails after resets and restores, inspect the notch under bright light for micro cracks or displaced components. Signs of impact often mean hardware repair. Make sure you record the serial number and run diagnostics at an Apple Store or authorized service provider. If you haven't already, perform a DFU restore to eliminate the last software variable. If DFU doesn't help, arrange professional repair. Truedepth repairs are specialized and require certified parts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.